We have also filed an electoral protest.
Uy, shush! Ayun na.
We hope that the COMELEC will act with dispatch on this electoral protest. And we have, as a sign of good faith to all of you, mayors, we have decided to contest all of the clustered precincts.
Wow.
And that's over 4,100. Why? Because as I said,
Ayaw talagang bumaba, mga kadonatics. Grabe talaga. Napakawalang hiya. Hello mga kadonatics. Naku naman, Gwen Garcia ng Cebu. Ayaw na talagang bumaba. Biruin mo, mag-file pa siya ng electoral protest. Naku naman, anong klaseng governor itong mga kadonatics? Taga Cebu. Ha? Gusto nyo pa ba itong si Wakwak ng Cebu? Naku naman, grabe kagahaman talaga sa kapangyarihan. Ayaw pa talaga tanggapin na natalo siya. Mag-file ng electoral protest for what? Naku naman. Nakakahiya na talaga. Dapat na siguro itong i-drag mga kadonatics out of the Capitol. Sobra na kasi eh. Eto, panoorin natin yung latest video niya.
again, for the education of those who do not know and still need to open their books and do their homeworks, for the most of them, they are currently serving as mayors. And so, I will
Minsan nagbibisaya kasi siya mga kadonatics, so I have to translate na lang for you, okay? Sa Tagalog or English.
address them as mayors, though some have been re-elected. And that should still mean another term, but no need to call you mayors-elect, except for our Bourbon mayor-elect.
Suya.
Mayor-elect Nico.
Wala talaga din yung face expression niya mga kadonatics. Wala talaga. Kasi natalo eh. Pero ayaw talaga bumaba pa eh.
Dotilios. Please take notes, those that are watching me. So, makasabot mo o bisa naman lang. Kung lisod ka ayot, i-record na lang or mabalik-balik ninyo. Musod sa utok. To all of our beloved mayors, ako mga pinalanggang anak nga sa unom ka tuig, nagkakuyog kita. Magkakuyog pagyud kita.
Oh,
Hangtod alas 12 sa udto, 30 sa Hunyo, 2025. Ug what?
Okay, until June 30 daw, magkasama pa sila. Pero may pahirit pa si Kwakwak dito. Ito.
Takibaw, basin pa. O even after such a date.
Wow! Hindi natin alam, baka magkasama pa tayo. Even beyond June 30, mga kadonatics. Yan yung gusto niyong ipaabot. Nako! Ay. Kung taga Cebu ka mga kadonatics, anong sa tingin nyo? Gusto niyo pa ba itong wakwak na to? Nakakainis na, di ba?
Before I proceed, let me address the elephant in the room. For those who do not understand this oft-used cliche, this refers to when there is an issue that nobody wants to talk about and yet is so real, so huge, and so present that we call it rhetorically, allegorically, the elephant in the room. And I refer to the elections
Nako.
that have just transpired last 12th of May 2025. As the results started coming in, fed by COMELEC servers, I do know that from the 1st to the 2nd, the 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7th districts, our mayors started shaking their heads in disbelief.
Wow! Wow! Nako naman, disbelief na hindi ka nanalo. Grabe talaga, ambisyosa, ang sarap talaga. Nako.
And this included as well our barangay kapitanes.
Oh. Quiet yung crowd mga kadonatics kasi against sila sa sinabi niya.
More so, mismo ang mga Sugboanon.
Wow!
Kay dili makatuo sa nigawas nga resulta.
Okay, taga Cebu, hindi ka ba makapaniwala na natalo siya? Ha? Comment down.
In the aftermath of that shocking deluge of numbers that ended up with an unknown, and prior to the campaign, a non-political figure concentrated as this person was on soliciting donations for her foundation, for which there's a continuing case against her. The mayors started to feel guilt, and they started to think, where did we go wrong? We tried our best.
Ang kampo niya kasi mga kadonatics from mayor, capital sa halos lahat natalo. Ayun.
After perhaps 24, 48 hours, some of you may have started to justify, kay mas maayo manggod mo sayo sa TikTok or mas dako magugpaa. I heard that in Bourbon.
Wala man lang mga nag-react sa kanya. Kaama
Iguning
talaga.
tao, no? Bisag unsay nahimo ni Gwen. Madara yun. This is my answer. I have heretofore remained silent, but I guess a lot of media outlets are also tuned in on us now. First of all, I wish for you to know, all of the 50 mayors. We are 51. We must exclude one. But all of you, 50 mayors, I do not blame any of you. You had nothing to do with the elections results, insofar as the gubernatorial position was concerned. I know that you did your best, but even beyond your words, ako mismo, didto ko sa katawhan. Nahibaw ko ug unsay ilang gipaminaw kanako. Nakakita mo, makakita lang na ako magdaganay, magpailog, bata, tigulang, hamtong.
Wow, grabe. Sikat na sikat daw talaga siya mga kadonatics. Sabi niya pag makikita siya ng mga tao, tumatakbo talaga patungo sa kanya. Bata man yan o matanda mga kadonatics, para lang salubungin siya. Totoo ba subuhan nun na ganito yung treatment niyo sa kanya? O napaka-ambisyosa lang talaga?
Mag-ambak-ambak. Nahibaw mo.
Tumatalon-talon daw yung mga bata.
Nahibaw mo. Masayod lang ngadto sa mga isla o sa mga barangay sa atong mga kalungsuran. Muari si Gob, mangdakop nas manok. Okay. Itagana na. Basin makatilaw anis Gob. Ay.
Sa mga isla daw, every time daw na pupunta siya doon mga kadonatics, iihawan daw siya ng manok. I-offer sa kanya. Ganon daw siya kalab ng mga tao. Oh, naku naman.
Have felt the love of the Cebuanos, and that love is real. And that love continues. Mao magani.
I don't think so.
Nga bisan ngadto sa kabukiran, daghan pang nangutana. Di mi katuo. Ngano man to? Wa man mi kaila anak niya.
Di daw makapaniwala ang mga tao, mga kadonatics, na bakit natalo siya at nanalo itong si Pam na hindi man daw kilala.
And I feel that even the opposite camp knows, is truly very insecure about this questionable victory.
Wow.
Because they continue to attack me.
Mm-hmm.
They continue to train their attack dogs on me.
Wow. Kasi ayaw mo mag-concede. Ayaw mong tanggapin na natalo ka na. Ay.
They continue to justify their win. Maunang napildi ka, kay maldita man ka. Maunang napildi ka, kay tiguang na ka. Umbot lang ka.
Totoo
Ako
yan.
arang-arang na mag-itsura ani karon. Maunang napildi ka. Sige na lang pirmi. Maunang napildi ka. But you know,
Ayaw niya talaga tanggapin mga kadonatics na yung Cebu talaga is Duterte yan. Nanalo nga yung Duterte dyan, lahat from top 1 to top 10. Mga Duterte pumasok dyan lahat. Ayaw niya talaga tanggapin na wala na talaga siyang kasense, nakakaumay na talaga siya na liderato. Suporta pa ka BBM. Yan mapala mo.
I wonder, why do they continue this? In 2019, I was the challenger. Right after the proclamation, undang na. Why singgit-singgit dinhi sa social hall? Why mga pabuto sa...
Kasi ikaw, nagmamatigas pa. Ang dami mo pang dada. Ha? Delayed tactics para hindi lang maproklama itong si new governor na sa Pamela Barrio 4. Kukompare niya last time.
mga drums o mga bugle calls or whatever that is, murag niabot ang mga laing panig, Hudiyo. And when I started to serve, I set aside all of the conflict, acrimony, the bitterness of the 6 years that Governor Junjun Davide, Vice Governor Agnes Magpale, and I had been involved in. In fact, nag-abot pa mig Sandigan Bayan. Pero, giunlang na akong pangatake. Because it was time to work. And continuing this atmosphere of acrimony will not bode well. Would not bode well. That was my decision. Would not bode well for the province of Cebu. Where there was much work to be done. But this is different now. And there can be no other reason for this continued vicious attacks, the venom, the vitriol that continues to be spewed on social media. There can be no other reason except that they themselves are asking why they won.
Iiyak na yan, mga kadonatics. Grabe talaga, napaka-ambisyosa. Last time daw kasi, 2019, nung nanalo siya, mga kadonatics, after the proclamation, hindi na doon niya ina-attack yung kalaban niya. Kasi smooth yung transition at walang mga delayed tactics yung kalaban niya last time nung nanalo siya. Kaya, paano mo pa babanatan, di ba? Pero ito, ang daming dada, ang daming mga sinasabi. Ngayon, mag-file pa ng electoral protest. Like, paano kayo hindi atatakihin yan?
Or perhaps they know. They know how they won.
Wow, daya daw. Dinaya daw siya.
Well, suffice it to say, thereafter, a lot of evidence has surfaced. The latest of which, there is now growing proof that the votes intended for Governor Gwen Garcia, in fact, were credited to my opponent.
Wow!
Kutob lang sa ako diha. But this is technical and...
Madam Wakwak, ikaw ang nasa power. Kontrolado mo lahat. From governor to the kapitansa, kontrolado mo lahat. Huwag mong sabihin na ikaw dinaya. Kung sino man ang may power na mangdaya, etong si Wakwak. Hindi yung si Pamela. She was supported by Inday Sara Duterte. She was endorsed, kaya nanalo siya.
Software proven evidence. We have also filed an electoral protest.
Uy, shush!
We hope that the COMELEC will act with dispatch on this electoral protest. And we have, as a sign of good faith to all of you, mayors, we have decided to contest all of the clustered precincts.
Wow.
And that's over 4,100. Why? Because as I said,
ayaw talagang bumaba, mga kadonatics. Grabe talaga. Napakawalang hiya. Grabe, tingnan mo. Ay, parang wakwak talaga yung mukha. Tapos sabihin niya, inaatake siya ng bagong halal na gobernador. Paano ka lulubayan? Ayaw mo, mismo ikaw. Ayaw mo mismong bumaba.
I truly believed that the result for the gubernatorial election here in Cebu did not reflect the honest will of the people.
Baba na lay. Tama na.
So, usbon ko, ayaw mo, o paminaw, o kaguol, o kaha, labaw sa tanan, take away those guilt feelings.
Wow, don't be sad daw. Sinabihan niyo yung mga mayors niya. Nako, are they look sad, mga kadonatics? Tahimik lang yan sila pero deep inside, ayaw na nila yan sa'yo. That's it mga kadonatics. Ay nako, nakakaya na talaga. Ewan ko ba mga kadonatics, bakit ayaw pa niyang tanggapin na talo talaga siya na maka-Duterte ang Cebu. Ay, comment down below if you are Cebuanon. If you are from Cebu mga kadonatics, ano yung feeling mo dito? Your sentiments, comment down below. Thank you so much. God bless you. And please take care of yourself all the time. Subscribe. Bye-bye.